What's up, y'all? So we are home. Me and Callie. Carmen is asleep in her car seat. We had just got home from Applebee's, and we had went to Applebee's. We had went to the fireworks store, and I think that's it. Yeah, and we went to church, of course. You say hi, baby. Hi. Yeah. So now we're about to go out here because Corey wants to light up these fireworks. So we're about to go out here and see what he's doing. But, you know, we just wanted to get cleaned up and comfy clothes on. Callie got her comfy clothes on with her house shoes, swimming shoes. Her little Minnie Mouse shoes. And of course, I got my slippers. So we got on our slippers. They see it. And yeah, so that's what we about to do, y'all. I had a drink, so I'm a little tipsy, you know. I'm a little feeling myself. But anyway, we gotta go out here. Like I said, Carmen is asleep, so thank goodness. It's like 11 o'clock right now, y'all. I know Callie should be asleep, but tomorrow's the 4th. She don't have school. We don't have to go to work, so we're about to enjoy it, okay? But yeah, so you ready? You ready to go outside and see Daddy?
Yeah.
All right, let's go. Here's Carmen. Y'all can see it's dark. Y'all can see her, it's dark. I ain't put the nighttime one on, so let her rest. I'm about to go out. There's Daddy. Corey, say hey.
Hey.
Hey, they're right there.
Stay with mommy.
Hey, mommy.
Stay with mommy. Look, say hi, peoples.
Hi, peoples.
Say what you doing.
We doing?
Say what's up.
What's up?
You need a jacket. Let's go get your jacket. Then here's the fireworks that he's about to blow up. Come on, Callie. All right, she got her jacket on now because I feel better. She looked pretty naked. Say hey, Callie.
Hey.
Oh, shoot, almost fell on. Do you know what you're doing? It's horrible quality. Sorry. You stay right there. You stay with mommy. We're gonna stay as far as possible from Daddy. So yeah, I'm trying to show y'all where I stay.
Mommy,
Yes.
I go Daddy.
I don't think Daddy know what he doing.
Daddy.
You gonna start running. Y'all, Callie's scared. I should be laughing. My poor baby. You scared? Yeah. You wanna do it again? You wanna go back out there with Daddy? No. Alright, y'all. She's scared, so I'm just trying to see if I can get some more of it. And I'll be back. Like, literally my whole chest thumped. I'm trying to see if I can get the fireworks for y'all. Let me step back. You coming?
No.
Why are you smoking and Corey? No. This dude is dangerous. You coming? Oh, that was pretty, Callie. You see it? You see it, boo-boo? Oh, it is one of them things.
Hey, look
Oh, you should have got a lot of those. Should have got a lot of those.
Remember he said he'd give me the deal.
Oh, yeah. It stinks really bad.
And it's gone for a while.
Lay it on the ground. So now you know where to get it from. That's a lot of smoke. Okay, you can pick it up if you want to. I just wanted to see. Do it sideways. See if it lays sideways.
How do it look on the camera?
Don't look as good on the camera as it do in person. It looks fine. You keep going so far. I keep going closer. You keep moving away. It's over there. Put home defense stuff up. What's up, y'all? So we at our I'm at my parents' in-law house, and I'm sitting here with Corman. It is the 4th. I just started vlogging. I do apologize. We are gonna do some more fireworks, so I'll make sure I record that. But here's little Miss Carmen and her little fit. Say hey, mama. Hey. She in her little seat, as you can see, and Corey. But yeah, so we spending the rest of the day here. I'm gonna be off tomorrow because I need to take Carmen to the doctor tomorrow. She's still coughing and hazing and wheezing, and it doesn't seem really good. So I'm gonna get her checked out because she doesn't get her shots until August 1st. So yeah, but I'm just chilling. I'm gonna eat in a few. I wasn't really hungry yet, but I'm getting there. So yeah, I just want to come in here and speak, and I will see you guys later. Bye.
The wheels on the bus go. All through the town. Callie.
We needed one more.
Dang. It's okay.
Got that big bang! Shoot, it's lighting up the sky.
Everybody has to be on fire.
Right? Just like at the fireworks show.
Yeah. Everybody should be smoking. I'm gonna give me one of them little bitty grills then.
Okay.
I'm gonna give me a grill. We come out here. I had 1.5 for that. I had 1.5 for that right there. Over there, Mika.
Huh?
1.5 for that. I want half for that to make that look
Oh, that'd be nice.
Oh, that's doing it. Be quiet, Stacey.
Look, Kelly.
All right, I like that one. Oh, shoot, we got some rhythm going on.
I like rapid fire. I like rapid fire.
They trying to outdo him. See, good job, Daddy.
What's going on? I feel that. You need to light another one of those. car.
He did that.
Yeah, he did. Light up the sky.
Damn, man. You go in the house. Why ain't no damn sky lit up that much? You gotta